Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this old electric drill into a powerful, versatile tool. As you can see, when I plug the drill into the power outlet and try to start it, nothing happens. It doesn't work at all. My first step is to clean off all this dust and grime from the drill before opening it up. Now, I'm going to use a screwdriver to remove all the screws holding the casing together. This will allow me to access the internal components for our transformation. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With all the screws removed, I can now gently open up the drill's casing. I'll carefully lift the top half of the casing and set it aside. Look at all the components inside. Now I will remove the drill chuck, which is essential for the motor's operation. After removing them, I can take the main rotor, also known as the armature, out of its position to expose the stator core. Next, I'm taking a section of PVC pipe. I will measure the PVC pipe to ensure it fits perfectly inside the drill stator. I'm using a long length of red electrical wire and winding it tightly around the PVC pipe. This densely wound coil will serve as a powerful electromagnet, generating the high current needed for welding. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once the coil is complete and secured, I'm carefully placing it into the drill housing, right where the old rotor coils used to be. Then, I'm connecting the ends of this new red coil to the internal connections where the motor's carbon brushes make contact. This reroutes the electrical path, allowing our new coil to influence the magnetic field. Now, I'm stripping the ends of the original wiring from the drill's power cord, preparing them for our new setup. This is all about transforming the drill's internal circuitry. Electrical tape is used to insulate any exposed connections, which is paramount for safety. I'm adding a yellow wire to the motor stator. These new wires are essential because they'll carry the higher currents required for welding. I'm carefully stripping the insulation off these new wires and connecting them to the internal pathways of the drill. This rewiring step is crucial for the drill to function as our welding machine. I'm using electrical tape to secure and insulate all these connections. Safety is always our top priority when working with electricity, even in DIY projects. Now it's time to reassemble the motor. I'm carefully attaching the red wire to the drill chuck, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the newly installed coil. Every part needs to be in the right place of the drill to function correctly in its new role. With the internal components in place, I'm now closing the drill casing. I threaded the yellow wire out of the drill's casing to connect it later. Then, I'll secure the casing by driving all the screws back into their original positions. Now for the external connections. I'm attaching crocodile clips to the ends of the yellow wires coming out of the drill. It will serve as our ground connector. And now for the moment of truth. I'm plugging the original drill's power cord into the power strip, which also has a light bulb connected. This light bulb emits a strong glow, indicating that current is flowing during the welding process. I attach the welding rod to the drill chuck. Let's see what happens when I touch it to this iron bar. See those sparks? That's the concentrated energy in action. Our homemade welding machine is quite powerful, and you can see the light bulb reacting to the current. It's successfully creating a weld. Our incredible multifunctional welding machine, made from a simple old drill. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. This connection is strong and permanent. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.